Hey everybody. A little bit of music. I'm just throwing that in there. Anyways, I got excited here. I did a little stream earlier. It was an hour long, up to the hour point, and I was ready to call it quits with a little bit of success. There's two parts to the success that I found. Um, and then Sunfire SG came in the stream, which was fun. And it motivated me to stay in the stream for another hour. And I continued to work on the project, even though it was taxing my brain. It's still working on my brain because I've only got part two, and I didn't call it the finish. Because I'm just calling it part two because I didn't finish. It's not done yet, and you'll see what I mean in a little bit here. So I updated all the files. Pretty sure I got everything updated here because I wanted to save what I did and then move on. Oops, here, let's go here. 119 for custom GUI part 2. And I did a lot of work in the fragment shader, mostly trying to draw the outline, which I should probably do that. I'll show you what it does anyways here. So we're a little bit off on our centering and all that fun stuff, and we got to get everything working, but we got the text to print there. You see Sunfire and 1 2 3 4. That is, in order to get that, all I did was where's it at? Oh, duh, it's right in front of me. I'm a little bit spaced out because my brain's been. So we got, yeah, so I basically call the function with the text, with the character size, so that's basically your font size, where on the screen I want the GUI to start, and then the color of the GUI. And then inside the fragment shader we also do where I'm trying to figure out how to put the frame on there so that the frame will be a little bit brighter. So I've got the color here times 1.4, and then I use like this function, and then I remap the UV coordinates inside this little thing. And then I also do something for this. This is the space. In fact, I can comment that in. This is the space character. So that was cool. And then I also did, on the stream, I did the exclamation mark. Exclamation point right there. So we're going to leave that in the code. And we're doing a little bit more, because I had to figure out the code again from scratch. Not from scratch, but from looking what I did before, and I'm like, what did I do with all this code, you know? Anyways, so I got it to work, and I just have to iron a few things out, as you could tell, because it should show on the screen. Let's see, and this is a majority. This is the a majority of the code here. This is the int GUI. Where I just create a point, and then I do the size based on the length of the string that comes in. And so depending upon, and this is for the background, so if I send in 5 characters, 10 characters, or whatever, it's the length of the string which gets calculated here, and then it gets the size of the point is based on the size of the string. And then I add a little extra for the frame around it. I mean, I need to make that bigger too because just 10 pixels is not enough. But it's also, this is going to have to be variable because, yeah, I didn't think about that because you can't have a static, 10 pixels, because if it's going to be just one character, then 10 pixels is huge versus 10 characters. And 10 pixels will be small, so I have to figure that out too. A lot of stuff to figure out, and we're going to make this function really good. We're also going to have several other variants of the function. I can see doing that because this is just for one particular string, but having a nice little, title, and then text in the body, and then throwing variables at it and stuff. I don't think we're going to do that. We're going to put the variables together. I don't know, so I'm just thinking off the top of my head. This is just anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what I've got so far, and it's kind of cool. Let's see, I know I have a screenshot there, but I think I have a better screenshot that actually shows without the messed up background. So I'll use that for the upload to YouTube. Not sure if I'm going to show this video or film another one here. Stop